Hey there, Mark Zamanoff here with Mark Z Fitness and Nutrition, back with another food tip, hack, thing, whatever you want to call it. Today, I want to share with you I'm going to call it one of my secret weapons. Everyone who knows me knows that I love chocolate. I have sweet teeth. I don't have a sweet tooth. I have like my whole mouth just full of sweet teeth. That's what I got. And at night, after dinner, I'm sure like many of you, I just want to eat like chocolate or cake or ice cream. And sometimes I do. Y'all know I love the Cadbury eggs. But if I'm really wanting to pay attention and hone in on my habits, I have a trick that I found that curbs my sweet tooth, that fills me up, and that's really delicious. So with no further ado, drum roll, Bengal spice tea, bam! So this tea, you can find this on the Amazons. You can find it at pretty much any grocery store has this, but we usually buy it on the Amazons, like a 6-pack. I don't know, it's like $12. It's super cheap. But this tea, it's sweet and has a little bit of spice to it. When it's hot, it's a hot tea, you drink it slow, so it takes up time, it fills you up more. But for me, it really just satisfies my sweet tooth. And I've suggested this to a lot of my clients over the years. They love it as well. Super easy to make. Again, buy it on Amazon, put it in some hot water, bam, you're done. Super, super simple. And I promise you, if you do this on a regular basis, it helps curb your cravings. I used this a lot during 75 Hard when I really just couldn't eat sweets whatsoever. Otherwise, I would violate that program. Highly, highly, highly recommend this. Give it a shot. If you've had this before, drop a comment, let me know. If you've never tried it, get you some and let me know what you think. So there we go, Bengal spice tea. Making good choices all day long. Y'all have a good one.